Hey guys, this is Bryan with the Bound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. And today we're going to be talking about building a custom 404 error page. So you may be thinking, what is a 404 error page? But you've probably seen one. You just may have not realized that's what they were called. So I'm going to head over to my screen, and because the best way to explain this is just to show you. Okay, we're here on my website now, and let's just head over so Squarespace has a 404 error page kind of built into their platform. So even if you don't set one, you automatically have this if someone ever does come across your 404 error page. To explain that, all 404 error pages is a page that would come up if someone stumbles across a broken link or an outdated link on your website. There's all kinds of different reasons that can happen, but it's just best to it's a good thing that Squarespace has this built in, because you need to have one so it doesn't just go to nothing. But it's even better to have one custom built, because you'll see why. I'm gonna go to this here. So it's in System Pages and the 404 page, and you can see the system default is what's set on right now. So it would just look something like this. Couldn't find the page you were we couldn't find the page you were looking for. This is either because there's an error in the URL that you entered into the web browser. Please check that and try again, or the page you're looking for has been moved or deleted. You can return to our home page by clicking here. So they've got the link set up to where you can go. It will get them back to your home page, or you can try searching for the content you're seeking by clicking here. Of course, you're also going to have the header and the footer and stuff still in there. But what psychologically, this may cause someone to even think that there's something wrong with your website and you could lose them. So it's best if you have a custom page. And so what you're going to want to do is actually on the pages menu here, you're going to want to build a page in your not linked section. Just go ahead and label it the 404 error page. And so you can see mine. They just put something goofy on there. A guy lost on the side of the road. Are you lost? And then a button to get them back home. And so what we have to do here is assign that instead of the system default to 404 error page. And you can see here, it's down here at the bottom, 404 error. And you'll see that this is where they end up at. And so if they come across a broken link or an outdated link or something like that on my website, they would end up here, and they better easily click the button to head back home. It keeps, with your site styles and all that, and it looks a little more like it's you're prepared for this type of thing to happen. So it gets them back to where they're supposed to be, and you don't lose them on your website. So you just want to save that and then click back out, and that's all that there is to it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.